The Middle East is heating up once again. Fresh military clashes between the United States and Iran are raising fears of a wider regional conflict, and the world is now closely watching the Strait of Hormuz. According to reports, the US military carried out new strikes on Iranian military targets in southern Iran. American officials described the operation as defensive, claiming Iranian drones had become a threat to commercial shipping and US forces in the region. Soon after tensions escalated further, Iran reportedly responded by targeting a US airbase, triggering missile and drone alerts in parts of Gulf region. While no major casualties have been confirmed yet, the situation remains extremely tense. But the biggest concern right now is the Strait of Hormuz. This narrow waterway is one of the most important oil routes in the world. A large percentage of global oil shipments pass through this region every single day. That is why even small military tensions here can shake the global economy. As fears grow, oil prices have started rising again, and investors are moving towards safer assets like the US dollar, making the dollar even stronger in global markets. Experts say this is no longer just a conflict between America and Iran. It now involves global trade, energy security, shipping routes, and geopolitical power struggles across the Middle East. Analysts warn that if instability in the Strait of Hormuz continues, fuel prices around the world could rise sharply, affecting countries like India, China, and many European nations. Meanwhile, diplomatic efforts are still ongoing. Some reports suggest that back-channel negotiations between Iran and the United States are continuing behind closed doors. But on the ground, the situation remains fragile and unpredictable. Now the big question is, will this crisis lead to a larger regional war, or can diplomacy prevent another major conflict in the Middle East? What do you think? Let us know in the comment and subscribe for more international news and global analysis like this.